I'm Dan Wyatt, e-commerce sales at Advantage Sales and Supply. Two of our products are having a fight and they can't determine which one is better. They have been arguing for hours, and I think the only way they can settle it is by fighting it out in the boxing ring. In this corner, we have X100 Chain Sling versus Advantage Web Sling. This should prove to be an evenly matched fight.
Before we begin this fight, let's head over to Advantage Sales to learn more about our contenders.
Here at Advantage, we produce thousands of chains and straps.
It's almost 250,000 straps in a year and about 10,000 chains per year.
Chain slings tend to be more expensive than straps.
Chains are typically something that's going to last a lot longer than a strap. You might get 2 or 3 years usage out of a strap, whereas as long as you take good care of your chain, it can be used indefinitely.
The difference of why someone would choose one over the other is based on the application. You don't want to use a strap near high heat sources because it'll melt. So in a high heat application, we would always recommend a steel use.
Ultimately, we put the material through multiple brake tests in our test bed. The material is pulled to destruction to determine the final brake strength.
My top priority while making the products is making them safe and efficiently every single time.
When our customers buy something from us, they're confident that they're receiving a high quality product.
After going to Advantage Sales and learning about chain and strap manufacturing, the two contenders have realized that they are both high-quality products and serve unique customer needs.
Before we leave tonight, our audience wants to know, what's so cool about manufacturing?
What I think is so cool about manufacturing is we receive product here. We take it, we add value to it.
It stands out better than most because the people here, they all really care about their jobs. Everybody's pretty much like a family here.
The majority of the stuff is handmade. It's not a robot making it.
You get to make the things that people are using every single day.
And it's so cool to be driving down the road, see our product. You can be crossing a bridge, see our product.
Really, the world's the limit, and the resources are here for anybody that wants to take advantage of them.